This is a video to show you how to speed up most video with your browser or the video that's playing on the browser. So the first thing we need to look to is to enable an extension. So in Chrome, click on the three little dots on the side, go under More Tools and then Extensions, and it will bring this up. And so um, you will need to go to Open Chrome Web Store and choose video speed control. So we need to find this video speed controller by Igoric. So this is the one that we're looking for. Add this to Chrome, and then you will see it right there on the side. Right there, it shows extension. Click on this, and then what I do is I pin that to the little taskbar right there. So once it's pinned, what you can do is you can right click and go under options. Um, you can show or hide the controller with the V when the videos, it shows how opaque it is. I am going to change it to 0.9 just for this tutorial. You can see that your preferred speed, um, I'm going to change that to 2.5. And then you can show your increase or decrease. You can change the increments on that. And it gives you other options. So you can, they have a couple of other options there that you can add. So the other thing is I want to remember playback speed. And then hide controller by default. You can make any of these changes here. And then it shows sites that will not use the controller. So once you make the changes here, you can click save. And then we will look at what this looks like. So on this Photoshop editor, and here I have it changed so you can see it. You can hover over this and it will show you, and you can make the adjustments here. Just with that. And you can do it while it's playing also. So here it shows how much faster you can get these things to go. And then you can do this also with just keyboard shortcuts. So D for mine speeds it up, S slows it down. You can see it slowing down. And you can hit G that will take it to your preferred speed. So sometimes this little box will disappear, but the keyboard shortcut still will work. And then you have to have focus on the video. So if I click off of the video, even when it's still playing, I lose control of these little features at the top. So hopefully this helps you speed up your learning process.